Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. This week we are in Oregon at the factory and just to meet with some customers, and one of our custom coaches is complete.
You'll see it behind us.
Yeah, and I think one of the great things is the colors. Not a lot of coaches with this light colors, which we're really excited about. So we want to show you this coach, a great paint job on the outside and an interior, kind of unlike other ones that we've had. So it's unique. So we want to show it to you. So let's take a look. All right, so here we are in the new H3 45. And like we said in the introduction, we really love the color combination here with the black and the white and some grays. And as you can see, this is our new kind of squared off style. This is the booth that also, of course, the table comes out. And then this is the extended booth. So once the slides are out, you can bring this booth out. So beautiful flat finish. On the cabinets in the front of the fridge. Of course, big cabinet pantry here, like always. Great straight lines on the counter. And then one of the other things we're doing now too is we're not putting the glass here, which is kind of a cool look.
It's a cool look. Yeah, I like it too.
It's a cool look, and love the color combination and this balance. And of course, this is the one that has the TV instead of up in the slide. We have it between the two chairs here, and of course that TV goes down. So
multifunction. You gotta love that. You can relax on the sofa and watch your TV.
Yep. All right. And then another nice thing about this coach, it's a bunk coach. A little different than our normal bunk coach because the customer wanted some things moved around. So this is set up a little different, but it's really nice. This is an art door that actually lights up, but for filming it didn't turn out real well, so we turned that off. But there's actually a pocket door that comes across and closes. But good sized bunks here. And then the full bath right here, and then I think Dawn will give you a great view of this. Just really a stunning, with the tile floor and the gray and the whites and the black. Just kind of a really stunning looking colors in here.
I'll grab the shower here. Nice big shower.
All right, here we are in the bedroom. Very similar design here a little bit, but it's got a little bit bigger storage. And I'm not sure if the customer asked for that, but bigger storage alongside the TVs instead of the shallow ones here. Lots of drawers down below. And then of course your electrical panels here. Some good storage here. And then of course the pull down above the bed. Half bath back here. You know, Marathon always does a great job of hiding stuff, so there's storage behind the bathroom. So
that's very cool.
Very cool. And so Dawn will kind of give you the money shot heading back through the coach, and we'll do some shoots of the outside of the coach, and hope you enjoy it.
All right, and like Randy said, we're just going to walk from the back of the coach to the front. So I'm standing in the back half bath. So you can see this absolutely gorgeous, one-of-a-kind coach. Again, in the middle here is the full bath. And across are the bunks. There's storage underneath. There's a few drawers underneath the bunks as well. And then here we are. Kitchen salon area. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this new custom-built H345 and the colors and the paint on the outside. And keep in mind, we have a lot of inventory right now. So we've got some good choices. We've got some new X's coming out that'll be available by the end of the year. So if you're looking to get a coach by the end of the year, we have some options. And we also have some great pre-owned stuff on our website. So if you're thinking of a coach before the end of the year, give us a call. You can call either Dawn or I or any of the Marathon sales consultants and see what we have. So keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.